Welcome back to StellaZone. This is Steve again with another tutorial video on how to use StellaZone on your phone and how to check everything on YouTube. As you can see right here, we got YouTube, we got Chrome, and these are the best ways to look up all of our social media stuff for StellaZone. So let's get started. Starting with YouTube right here, let's go in. And say you've never really subscribed or looked at StellaZone before, check it out. You could just search in StellaZone, all one word, not Stella's Zone, not Stella Space Zone, Stella altogether Zone. Search that, and boom, there we are. You can see a lot of our videos. You could also see our channel right here. You can subscribe right there, or you could go and check it out first. And obviously, you want to hit that big red subscribe button right there. Boom, subscribed. And then to get notifications, you want to hit the bell. Get those two lines, and look, it says you'll get all notifications. You can modify that so you don't get every single notification, but why not? You're going to see when we live stream, you're going to see when we post new videos, when we edit old videos, and all other kinds of cool stuff. So go ahead and get notifications there. Now that you're a subscriber, you could scroll down and see all of our wonderful videos. So this is similar to the PC tutorial that I did. Look, there's the video right there. But you could also scroll down. Hey, you guys, if you didn't know, you could hit this little arrow and you could see more. They'll keep loading. You could even view all of our recent stuff. Okay, so those arrows are very helpful. Let's scroll down. You see all of our popular uploads, at least the first top four most views. You can hit the arrow and see more. Look, we got peanut butter soup, jollof rice, more okra soup, how's a cocoa kose. So before you start commenting and be like, Stella, can you do this video of this? Check our videos first, because we likely have done it. Unless it's something that we haven't done yet, then we'll work on it. So scroll through, and you may just be surprised at how many videos we have. See, we got 100+ more videos on there. And then we got playlists too. If you want to see just the recipes, we got Stella's Tasty Recipes right there. Authentic StellaZone recipes, 85 videos and counting. We got other playlists here if you want to know about us a little bit, some funny videos. We got some stuff where we just kind of talk to you, and we have some product reviews. So you can check all that out. All right, returning to the top, you can see that we have in our banner here our email, which you want to send us any comments. We have our website coming soon, StellaZone.com up there. And of course, she says rate, comment, subscribe. Of course, that means really like. So how do you do that? You got to like some videos. Let's go to the videos tab. And okay, well, hey, let's check out this new tutorial that I did. Looks pretty awesome. Oh, hey, you got some ads. If you don't have YouTube Red, you're going to see ads most likely. But you can wait a few seconds, skip them, and then kind of just watch. You could see this awesome guy, Steve, who made this video. So anyway, if you like it, you could like right there. Boom, hit the thumbs up. That means like. All right, don't want to hit that dislike because it's not cool. But hey, you could share. You could send these links to your friends using WhatsApp or email, Facebook, IMO. I know you guys use these apps, so you could do that. Looks like you could download it too, maybe. I don't know. But you see here, you see that you're subscribed. You could even subscribe from here if you like. And you could scroll down and if you want to keep seeing awesome StellaZone videos, you could hit this autoplay button here. And let's see, scroll down, you see more of our videos, and then you go all the way down, you get to the comments. This is what Stella does every time she watches a YouTube video, only the comments. So you can see all of our comments here. You could obviously leave questions and hey, I like the video. We'll thumbs up that, of course. And if you have some questions, we'll do our best to answer it. Can't guarantee, because there's a lot of comments coming in all the time. Hey, if you have Chromecast on your TV, you could hit this button up here, and that'll cast it to your Chromecast. So if you have it on your TV or something, let the whole family enjoy. So anyway, moving on from here, you could see that they're missing something, right? Where's all the description? Where's the stuff on that? The other links. You could click this little triangle right here, and boom, more information. We've got links to our other social media websites. Say Instagram. I gotta put the Facebook one in there. Obviously our website, but let's check out one of these food videos, and we could see that there's obviously more information there. All right, this is Fonte, a recent video. So if you hit again this little triangle and get more info, you see boom, when this was posted. You see, oh, look at this, some ingredients. I know a lot of you ask, hey, what are the ingredients? Well, I usually put them on the screen there so you could see, but you could scroll through here, see all the peppers that we use, the StellaZone spice. You can see again all of our, there's our Facebook link, and we have more links down here to other videos, which you could click on right from here. You got playlist links, all this good stuff. So let's check out this WAAKYE video. That's my favorite dish right there. Alright, so again, you got more ingredients, you've got the stew and the spices, and you know, even some more links that we like to put in time to time. But yeah, check things out, guys. We got lots of good videos for you here, and we're always uploading new stuff on a consistent basis. Alright, let's go back to the channel here. You can go to our playlists, which we we usually categorize all the videos we upload into a playlist. And then we have community. I don't know what we put in here. We got other channels that we feature, nothing yet. And of course we have our about section where you could also see links to our Facebook page. Let's click that. Alright, and we are at StellaZone. Let's go back to our YouTube here. So now we'll try the Instagram link. And that's going to again take you over to Instagram, and you could follow us there. We have our pictures there. And this is obviously opening up in Chrome, but if you have the app itself, it should open it up in there as well. So let's go back. Oh, hey, I almost forgot. There's some other things you could do from checking out one of our videos. Let's again use this Fonte video as an example. And say if you're watching this through and you see some things that are called cards. These are things that you'll see. Let's see, fast forward a little bit. You'll see as the video is going, you'll see this little eye icon up here at the top. Occasionally it'll pop out some stuff, and if you click on that, this is what you'll see. Other videos that are linked directly from this video. And you could click on them if you want, and it'll go to it. Say if you want to go to the Ghana peanut butter sauce, peanut sauce, Nkate abum. Alright, and then what you could also notice at the end of every video, let's see, right towards the end here, usually in the last 45 seconds, you'll see our banner, which I need to update on all of our social media. And look, you can see other videos that we recommend. Guys Cook Jollof, how to make this, and of course our channel, which you could visit, subscribe from right there. So just want to show you guys that there's lots of ways that you could stay in touch, a lot of ways to see more videos from the videos, and of course, as we always say, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Obviously, you'll see from your YouTube app when you're subscribed, you'll see a little red notification in this activity area down here, and you'll see all the stuff that we've done. You'll also see a red dot for your subscriptions whenever we upload something new. So stay tuned and watch for more. Thanks, guys.